Hello, you're on the channel Tata. Today in the travel portal a new video from the interesting, beautiful country of Morocco, the town Tata. This video is a collaboration with my subscriber of my channel Abdil Karim. I invite you all to subscribe to Abdil Karim's YouTube channel. Abdil Karim shoots interesting videos about his town. Guys, support Abdil Karim's channel by subscribing and watching his video. Thank you! Today's video will walk the streets of the Tata. You will be able to watch an ordinary day in the Moroccan town. Local sights and the most interesting, we will visit the oasis where we can drink delicious tea. Meet Abdil Karim from Tata. Everyone enjoy watching the video.
Hello Natalie, hello friends, hello everyone. Welcome to Tata, the pink city in the southeast of Morocco. So in this video we'll discover together the new places here in Tata. So let's go.
everyone who watched this video to the end. I look forward to your comments, likes, and be sure to check the subscription to my channel. And also, again, I invite everyone to subscribe to Abdul Karim's channel. I will leave the link to the channel under this video. I want to say thanks to Abdul Karim for this video for the travel portal from the Tata. Don't forget, every week on my channel a new video trip to different cities and countries. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.